welcome to another Be Informed. Today we're going to be talking about the proper way to catch a ball. At home or at school, you might catch lots of different balls, but we all catch the same way. Okay, there are 4 parts of catching a ball. Part 1 is we have to use our eyes to track the ball. We want to watch that ball come all the way to our hands. Part 2 are elbows. They need to be flexed. I should not have my hands straight out. They should be flexed. Part 3, when I catch that ball, I want to keep it in my hands. I don't want to bring it to my body. And part 4, I need to absorb the force so it doesn't bounce off my hands. If a ball is above my chest, I need to have my hands like this, where my thumbs are close to each other. But if that ball is below my chest, I want to have my pinkies close to each other. So we're going to demonstrate a few ways to catch. Smaller ball, football, and a big foam ball. These are just different ways to catch, and I hope you can practice at home. See you next time.